Okay, so let's get started. Let's start. Well, I'm gonna delete this. Delete this. Let's get started. Okay, this. Okay. So I have read this statement so far. I have read this so far. So the first upload that came up in my mind is TV. Then example TV. Okay. I will assume that because of the order we pick is no matter how we pick it. So I mean we sort this because the order we don't get the order of it. So assume that we have this, sorry, this statement, we have this statement, this. So we have this. This. So now, we will care about our TB dimensions. Of course, we will store one dimension that is about I. Sample 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're gonna add 7, right? And in the and it's even 7 is odd. Then it must be less than the previous stuff. Yeah, it must be. So we have our right here. We have our 7 is somewhere here. This is our 7th index. So we want to put this in here. So we are able to put this in here, right? Because it is. Oh wait. Can we put it here? I mean, can we put it in here? No, because it's just not really sure because how did this work? How it? No, I don't think so. I mean, wait, can we put here? We don't even know how to put here, right? Wait, we have consider first eyes lemon. So I mean if we construct an answer, then it have the length of n, right? So if we set the definition of this, the first eyes 11 from AI, from A. First eyes 11 in the answer. First eye, we will put it here. This is our limitation. First I bit. So we put the whole thing into here. We can put everything in here. No, we can't put anything here. So can we put the 7, assume that the 7 is this, and can we put it in here? Can we put it in here? I wonder, can we put it in here? So our question is, so we have the 7 is this, the 7th block, the 7th block is this. We wonder, can we put it in here, and how many ways it can be put? Somewhere in here, somewhere in here, maybe here, maybe here. How can we manage that? I think we have to make another dimension. What? I think we have to make another dimension because we have no option to do this. We don't know anything to do this because how if we put it here, then it's okay to put here because it's too short. But how about when it is too high? I mean, if it is about this, if it is this, then you cannot put in here too, right? Because you don't know the last thing. If the last block is this, then you are able to put it in here. But if the last block was this, and this go to another where, no, I mean what? I think not this. Wait, then it must be less than. Okay, so wait, I think, I mean, can it, is it able to, if it was here, if it was here, convert this. So this must be in the last one, right? Because it is the highest. So take a look at the example. Then the last one always the highest because it can be placed nowhere in this. Okay. So I think this condition is 2. So AI, not that we I out. So EI is if it is equal. If it is equal, then we could wait. It's not true because it is not always put here. It can be put somewhere else. For example, there's no way. If we wanted to put this into this place, then this must be 5. It's okay, it's not good. To be the 7 stuff. Wait, because 7 is out, then the last one, this is the biggest, right? If this one is the biggest, 6 is the biggest, 6 one is the biggest. This is the biggest, right? This one is the biggest, this is the biggest. 6 one is the biggest. So this one is the biggest. If we put this into somewhere else here, then we have to, for example, we want to put it in 3, then the whole of it would plus 1, the index, the index. That is untrue because 6 will become 7 and 7 must be less than 5, no. Yeah, 7 must be less than 5. Then we have another option is that we replace the 7th index with some index. I mean to swap. So how many, our question is how many ways can we swap this 7? So we can put it here, if we put in even, it must be greater than. If we want to put it in even index, then we have to know the exact number we have put in front of it and after it, right? We have to know 3 and 5. So how do we know 3 and 5? How do we know? It must greater than 3 and greater than 5 and also greater than this one too, also greater than this one. So how do we manage to do that? How can the second or maybe the third, maybe? How can we set to manage this? Then we will have to store the mask of it, right? But we cannot do that because our mask is up to n factorial n. So we can. This is impossible, right? This is impossible. This is basically just impossible. Because if we swap this, we don't even know. So when we swap to this and this, so when we swap it, we have to swap the index, right? But we have to manage the index too. Can we? Can we manage the index? No, we can't. No, we can't. The index is too huge. The index is too huge. Impossible, huh? So it seems impossible, right? So we're gonna try another idea. I think I'm gonna try another idea. I'm going to try another idea, okay? Yes. So this seems untrue because this seems untrue because this one seems untrue because I think there's no way to do it. So if we set another statement like we must build the construction in the form of the answer. So in this problem we do care about two things. So we care about two things. That is A1, A2, A3, sorry, A1, A3, A5, A7. It is always smaller than the simplest. So maybe we set the as mean what reused right. So we add first element good. Sorry. So we use first as element, but we don't put it in the first as positions of the answer. Just here, just put one here, then one here, and then one here, maybe the last one is here. So in this case we have to our question is where do we put, and I mean where do we put, right? Our question is how many ways to put it. how do we manage to do it? So we put it, whenever we put 1, wait, we also know that well, I think I came up with a naive solution. So wait, I got something. The naive solution eyes. Wait, not eyes. Not need to consider eyes. So we because we have n minus n divided by 2 be odd, and n divide by 2 be 11, be even, right? So we have this and this. Oh, I think I came up with something. We have n divided by b of n even. It relates to the position. It relates to the positions, right? Position. So no, it's not related. No, position. Yeah, it relates to the positions. Otherwise, we can say that the exact things. First, we will solve the array. db num opt number opt a even f5. Wait, if so plus even must be equal to I, right? Then we don't even need to wait, I don't think so. This is not true yet. But suppose that we have this and we want to put something. Should that be with the I plus 1? I plus 1? just